Hemlock Semiconductor is expanding thanks to a $325 million federal grant.
The grant is the first major investment in Michigan from the CHIPS and Science Act that was passed in 2022. Our David Sackrider joining us now. So David, how many jobs will this investment create in mid-Michigan?
The project is expected to create 180 advanced manufacturing jobs and over 1,000 construction jobs. But the impact goes beyond just those jobs.
This is a big deal for the state of Michigan to grow jobs, and not just regular jobs. These are all high-paid jobs, and people can get the training to be part of this workforce, and we expect them to be hiring locally.
The Thomas Township-based company will use the funding to build a new state-of-the-art manufacturing facility and expand production of silicon for semiconductor chips, a product that is critical for future manufacturing after the pandemic.
We probably all remember driving around and seeing parking lots full of cars that were pulled off the line and they couldn't be delivered to customers because they didn't have some of the chips. And that had a huge cost to the automakers.
Senator Gary Peters says many of these manufacturing jobs currently are overseas, making it critical to national security to bring companies to the United States and to Michigan.
When you think about these chips, they're not only in all the products we use, from automobiles to washing machines and just other everyday products, they're also used in advanced military equipment and aviation. So this has to be located locally. We want this in the United States.
And Senator Peters says investments in one area bring other companies and more jobs with them.
I'm really excited about Hemlock's investment in mid-Michigan. It builds on a trend of more jobs and projects coming to the region. From a $1 billion expansion by GM at Flint Metal and Assembly to a new logistics center on the site of the old Buick City.
Well, usually what happens when you see an expansion of a supplier to the semiconductor industry in one area, that tends to attract even more companies that want to be there because of the skilled workforce that is developing.
In a statement, Hemlock Semiconductor CEO A.B. Ghosh said, "Our customers want high quality and sustainably made polysilicon. This proposed investment demonstrates that the Biden-Harris administration, Governor Whitmer, and our Michigan congressional champions understand HSC's unique ability to meet those demands and our crucial role in strengthening American interests," end quote. The grant brings Michigan to $1.5 billion in investments in semiconductor and electronics manufacturing, adding 642,000 manufacturing jobs nationwide since 2021. In studio, David Sackrider, ABC 12 News.